In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks 24-volt electric scooter. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will need a utility knife and the provided hex key. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Carefully lift the scooter out of the box and set it down. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Remove any remaining packing materials. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Step 2. Installing the stem. Flip the kickstand down and lift the scooter to the upright position. Unfold the stem and secure it by locking the quick-release lever. Once you hear a click, it is locked. Installing the handlebar. Carefully unwind the wiring and locate the two ends of the cable connectors. Align the connectors properly, ensure the pins match, and connect the plugs. Cut and remove the zip tie holding the stem and handlebars together. Insert the handlebar into the stem, aligning the holes on both parts. Firmly press in the rubber grommet. Install and tighten the 4 screws evenly using the provided hex key to secure the handlebar in place. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, including batteries and charger, these items can now be unpacked. This scooter requires two 24-volt batteries to operate. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.